Hi and welcome, legends. Hope you all had a great weekend. Can Bitcoin bounce from where we are right now? We are currently inside the golden zone, expecting a bounce here to the upside. This level must hold. Today, let's go through some fundamental news around the world and go and analyze the price of Bitcoin here together. Also, legends, what I would like to talk about today is Blofin. I've been sharing this new exchange with you guys for the last 2 weeks and I've been trading on it with great success. Also, on Blofin, one of the biggest bonuses are available by using this link to sign up. All you need is an email and a password. Also, one of the biggest bonuses available of up to $80,000 depending on how much you deposit and trade with no KYC required at the moment. The one thing I also want to share here with you guys is by signing up with this link down in the description. When you click on this link, you will land on a landing page that looks like this. Once you've signed up with your email and password, that's all you need to sign up to Blofin. The exciting thing that I would like to share with you guys is to say that once you've signed up with a link down in the description of this video, you can then go to copy trading over here. Okay, and you can go and search for me, Devil Trades. You will see Devil Trades, or you can go to this little search feature over here where you can type in Devil Trades and I will pop up over there where I will start trading from a copy trading perspective very soon. So if you'd like to follow my trades from a copy perspective, go sign up with the link down below. I'm going to start trading soon and I will keep you guys updated with the progress. Let's go through some fundamental news around the world. First up, the banana effect 2011, 14, 19, 2022. If this plays out again, we see Bitcoin at $300,000 as the new high. So still a lot of bullish sentiment out in the market where you can see everyone still expecting that parabolic move here to the upside. Will history repeat? Right, you can see during 2011 and 12, massive move, 2014 to 16, massive move here to the upside, including 2019 to 2022. And will this time be different? Everyone's still expecting that parabolic move here to the upside. Next up, Bitcoin still follows the parabolic setup to $222,000 at the 200% bear market extension. And here you can see this is the parabolic curve. At the moment we are tapping this level. Can we expect a nice little bounce here to the upside to go and claim the $222,000 level? Next up, Bitcoin following the 2017 price action. Breakout soon will send it to the $155,000 upper band target. And here you can see comparing it still to 2017. This is where we are right now. Okay, still expecting that explosion here to the upside. Will this time be different? Where we are now consolidating, getting this little correction here to the downside. Is it building up that strength for momentum to follow through to the upside? Or will this time be different? Next up, on the monthly chart, Bitcoin is still sitting above the triangle top, which is very bullish. To have a long and solid bull run in the future, consolidation is necessary to build up that momentum. And here you can see they're comparing Bitcoin to what happened to the Nasdaq, where it was consolidating above this triangle and it had a massive breakout here to the upside. Will Bitcoin do exactly what the Nasdaq did? Where we're now also consolidating above the triangle, building up that momentum for a liftoff here to the upside. So still lots of bullish sentiment out in the market. Next up, breaking Hong Kong Bitcoin ETF launches tomorrow, right? And here's a little secret from the part of the world. The Asian market in user count is bigger than the US and Europe markets combined. Will this give us that explosion here to the upside that no one is expecting? Hong Kong ETFs launching tomorrow. Let's see how this plays out. Next up, fun fact, less than 5% of the global population is invested in crypto. So still a lot of adoption that can take place in this space. Let's see what this number sits at the end of this potential bull cycle. Let's go and dive into the price of Bitcoin here quick. Legends, looking at Bitcoin here on the 4-hour time frame, what I'm seeing over here is to say that this wave that we created now, this impulsive wave here to the upside and this potential corrective structure, we have to find support between the 618 and the 786 if bulls still have a chance to come and claim the all-time highs in the short term. So I would really like to see this area hold for support where we could see that explosion here to the upside. This golden zone is critical because from a Fibonacci perspective, there is an increased probability if we lose the golden zone and we come down and we tap the 0.88, it increases probabilities that you're most likely going to get a bounce and you're going to come claim the lows. And then we'll analyze the price action when we get here. But for now, for bullish momentum to continue to the upside, I would say this is almost like that last line in the sand over here where we need to see the bounce taking place inside of this golden zone. And with the Hong Kong ETFs being launched tomorrow, can this give us this reversal for that breakout here to the upside? Also, to keep things very simple, I'm just tracking this momentum here to the downside for successful breakout to say that, well, perhaps this was the fake out. We tapped this trend line 1, 2, 3, 4 times already, and the more times you tap the trend, the weaker it becomes. So if we can find support inside of this golden zone, that could be the ticket to break the trend successfully to send us to higher levels in the coming weeks. From a bearish perspective, what I'm looking at is to say that, well, if we lose this level and we don't get a bounce, remember, we could also break the trend, make yet again a lower high compared to these highs over here, and then fall down. So it is not guaranteed that even if we get a bounce inside of the golden zone, that we are definitely coming to claim the liquidity above. We'll have to exercise good risk management and protect ourselves, be defensive, taking profits on your way up. But for bulls to still have a chance, I would like to see this area hold for potentially a claim of the highs over here. If we lose this area or make a lower high, the next potential bounce that I do see here to the downside is one of two scenarios. Either it's a sweep of the lows, where you lose the lows and you get acceptance back above. Okay, and this is where I will be interested, not as we are dropping, as we're getting the recovery back above the lows. The next bouncing area or obvious bouncing area that I do see here is inside of the small little consolidation area over here that I think not a lot of people are watching, where we could potentially get that bounce inside of this little zone over here. There's also a point of control. When I take a fib from this low to the high that we've made over here, you can see that also this consolidation area has confluence with a 50% fib level over here. So there's definitely a chance that if we do lose these lows, that could potentially be a nice bouncing area, getting acceptance back inside of the range for a long position over here. And as always, I'll be watching what happens over here, the price reaction, proof of support. Do I see local bullish or bearish CVD to make that ultimate trading decision here to the upside, or perhaps finding momentum further here to the downside, bouncing on the trend and the 0.618, which is confluence with this consolidation area over here. If you are new to trading and you do not know how to use an exchange, I've made a video tutorial on Mexi. But since I've spoken about Blowfin, also I think you will definitely benefit from how to use Blowfin. So by checking out this video, you'll also get a very good feel on how to use Blowfin as well. Until the next one, cheers for now.